Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the interesting things that is happening, of course, in 2026, we talked about it, all the changes coming to Windows 11 to try to make it better for users. And we talked about the out of box experience, which is the setup process when you install a fresh copy of Windows. And a interesting new feature that will be in there is the ability to skip the update part for now. So when you install a fresh copy of Windows 11, what would happen is that at some point it says that it's going to download updates and apply these updates. And sometimes, depending on what image you're using, if it's not been updated in a long time, and also, internet speed, you might be stuck there for quite a long time before you have the ability to be on the desktop and use your computer. So, one of the requested features was, well, can we just skip during the setup process the updates and apply them later? And this is what they're bringing. So, this is showing up on some Insider Ring machines, a ability when you get to this part of the updates to update later, and you can click that little update later, and that will cancel the update process and will just continue the setup. And that means that once you are set up and running, well, now you can take care of business and have the updates done and so on later on. So this effectively will make the setup a lot quicker for some, and but there's a downside. It also means that once your Windows 11 machine is up and running, if the image you use is a little old, there are several important updates that will be missing for security. But at least the setup process itself will be faster. And I guess maybe that's why we've started seeing Microsoft update the images, the ISO that is available for download regularly. By doing so, you have less updates, and if you do update later, you won't have that many updates, and all the process is going to go faster. So that's coming, apparently, later this year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.